But Mr. Freeman, that isn't me. I promise you that I was in the classroom the whole entire time.
I am finding that way. I can't trust what